Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we'll discuss about the AND properties. Here, if we remove this hyphen, then these two property become AND properties. Means now for any pod to communicate, this condition to be fulfilled means app equal to Thanos and namespace which have label planet Earth. Now look, I'm creating a namespace and namespace name Marvel means this, and pod selector is time stone means here there are many apps but this app time stone. Okay, so we'll select this app. Now to communicate any pod to communicate with this means here one pod is there whose label is app equal to Iron Man. Will it able to connect? No. Here namespace, any namespace you can say sector 118 and label planet moon. So here any pod can able to communicate? No. Here one namespace sector 119 planet equal to app equal to Spider-Man. Will it able to communicate? No. Here if pod whose label is app equal to Thanos, this pod will communicate. Means here is the AND conditions. So if the namespace is anything but label Earth and inside that namespace have a pod which label Thanos, can able to communicate app equal to time stone in the Marvel namespace. So this is the AND condition. Okay, here one condition is also there. Here in port number 80 those can communicate. Thank you so much. I'm wrapping it very fast, but I guess you grasp the concept. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you so much.